Before you add a single detail, the shape you choose to draw your character's head can go a long way in determining their age. We'll use Tommy Pickles, his father, and grandfather to demonstrate. A cartoon baby's head, like Tommy Pickles' lumpy noggin, is going to be built using a simple circle with most of the features centered in that circle. The eyes are the most prominent feature, the nose very small and cute, and with little hair, 7 hairs to be exact. Oh, and the little ears may tend to stick out. What happens to the shape of a child's head by the time they reach, say, 10 or 11? Well, as you can see with Tommy in the Rugrats spin-off All Grown Up, his head has elongated to some degree. More prominent forehead, more hair. While his eyes are still Tommy Pickles' eyes, they definitely take up less overall space on his face. Now when the character reaches adulthood, like Tommy's father Stu, the head and face shape elongates even more, with more pronounced chin and longer neck. The eyes are now smaller compared to the other features, like that formidable nose, which is now 5 times bigger than 10-year-old Tommy's nose. Finally, we get to old age, like Tommy's grandpa Lou Pickles. The elongation of the head, face, chin, and nose displayed by Stu is even more pronounced in Lou. Top that off with the details such as wrinkles, bald head, old man hair, spectacles, and mustache. It completes the elderly look. I'll do some more of these soon, but hopefully this gives you some ammunition when you're aging your cartoon characters. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Rugrats characters and hundreds of other videos.